Let me show you how to shine up some aluminum spoked dirt bike wheels. Pretty quick, pretty easy. So right now I got a battery sitting on my wheel on the tailgate of my truck because I don't have a workbench. We're gonna grab a shoelace, wrap it around twice, grab some Mother's aluminum polish. Go ahead and wipe that in there. Grab your shoelace. Takes a little bit, but it's a lot better than doing your fingers like this. As you can see, it'll clean her up. Not perfect. You can stay there, get her perfect, but it'll work.